Hey fam, so tonight we are going to be making some of this delicious beef chow mein. Let's get into the vegetables that you'll be needing. Let's go ahead and get into the marinade. I use 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. I use some white pepper. I put in about a teaspoon of ginger paste. I use some sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of water. You can add sugar, but I didn't add sugar today. And then you want to go ahead and place your meat of choice in your marinade and let that sit and marinate in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes just to soak up all the flavor. Meat is marinating. Let's go ahead and get started on our noodles. These are the noodles that I used, but you can choose any noodles that you want, and let's go in to browning our beef. I did add in a tablespoon of minced garlic, and I also added in a tablespoon of vegetables that I had diced up previously, and I just go in to brown the meat just like this. Once it's browned to my desired likeness, I then go ahead and add in my onions and my carrots first, and then I proceed with adding in my noodles. Once I get that all incorporated, I then go ahead and add in my green onions last, and then I just mix. I did add in some extra oyster sauce and soy sauce to give it some more flavor. And once it's all complete, I plated my beef chow mein. I topped it with some parsley and also some chili paste that I have at the house. And dinner's complete. I hope you I hope you enjoy. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe. Thank you so much, fam. Have a blessed night.